The 2007 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, 4-wheel ABS, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.